Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a new location for the Criminal Records Office in downtown Kingston, but an old issue has resurfaced. Poor air quality. It's what prompted the recent relocation in the first place. The Health Ministry has been investigating and the findings are not encouraging. TVJ's Kirk Wright has this Primetime News follow-up.
After a detailed check of the newly refurbished Criminal Records Office on Tuesday, the Police Federation Chairman Patricia Rowe says the Health Ministry confirmed one of the major concerns that has been raised about the new facility.
They made some observation that confirmed what we have been saying over the last few days. The Police Federation continued to have a challenge with the air distribution and ventilation within the building, and the health officials have confirmed that these are real concerns.
We managed to capture pictures of what some of the air conditioning vents in the building look like, and they show most are in need of cleaning. The chairman says he was not at the records office when the health team visited early on Tuesday, but says he was informed by one of his directors that they intend to convey their decision about the findings to him later.
The continuum of actions that could be seen from their visit is certainly warning, certainly instructions to fix the issues to as severe as a closure notice. We are in touch with them. We will learn later today what the next course of action will be, but certainly we would not be surprised if they order closure of this facility.
He says all the staff at the office have been alerted to the health concerns. Or isn't it considered serious enough for the workers to be leaving right now?
The concerns are serious enough, but as you rightfully said, they are preliminary observation, and I think that once they have confirmed what their observations are, then if it is a closure notice, we would hasten to ask our members to leave the facility.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Selvin Hay, who was visiting the facility for the first time, says the Health Ministry's concerns have been noted.
There are several sections that the air quality could be better. There are some sections that the air quality is fine. And so we'll see how best, based on the report that the Health Ministry makes and the concerns that they raise, how best we can remedy them.
DCP Hay says he also notes the limited space concern expressed by the employees. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
And TVJ News has just learned that the Health Ministry intends to carry further checks tomorrow at the Criminal Records Office before deciding if a closure notice should be issued.